Welcome back. Look at you. You've made it to day 3 of the Flow Along Mobility Challenge. If you are new to this challenge, do definitely check out some of the previous videos to get started on it. But otherwise, you can jump right into this session as well without having prior experience in some of the previous sessions. As usual, if you'd like to participate, if you want to post your video, you want some feedback on your form, feel free to make a comment below or upload your video and use the hashtag TRGMobility, and we can get right into it. Today's exercise will be the drag and roll. We'll spend about 5 minutes going one way, right to left, and then we'll spend another 5 minutes going the other direction from left to right. So to start with this exercise, you'll need a flow rope or a skipping rope, any rope that comes to about your belly button in length when you have it both handles up like this. A belt will probably be a bit too short, so this is where you might want to start looking into getting slightly longer ropes. As usual, quick reminder, do be mindful of exercising in a safe and distraction-free environment, and also ensure that you are not overexerting yourself and moving within your ranges of motion that you are comfortable with as well. Always go at your own pace. There will be some more intensive variations that I will show in a second, but you don't have to follow along if it's getting a bit too tiring or if it's causing you to lose proper form. So as usual with rope flow, the focus is not so much the movement, but it's a lot about the form and ensuring that you're rotating properly. All right, let's get started with the drag and roll. We'll start with right to left. I'll show you the movement without the rope, and that will be our warm-up. So the first thing that we'll be doing is we start in a neutral stance, legs about shoulder width apart. You want to have your hands in front of you to your right side, right? Palms facing down. And what you're going to do is you're going to drag from the right to the left. So it's called the drag. And then when you're on the left side now, what you do is you flip up and open your body up like this. So that's the roll part of it. You roll the rope to the back of your side. So palms come up, shoulders forward, and make sure that you open up your back, straighten your back. All right? So a bit of that supination of your spine. And then what you're doing now is you're facing your left side, facing up. The rope is at your back. You will turn back to your right side. And now you will flip the rope down to the front. So to get it to the front, what we'll be doing is a slight popping motion where you bend your knees a little bit and pop, right? So when you flip your hand, just to go from palms up to palm down, that will bring the rope across. That pop will help it as well. And that's what we're gonna do. So palm down, right to left, palm up, left to right. Palm down, right to left, palm up, right to left to right, sorry. So palm down, palm up, palm down, palm up. Get used to this kind of twisting motion. A few things I want you to pay attention to when you twist is make sure that your body is twisting equally both left and right. A common mistake I see with a lot of people is they tend to have a dominant side, so maybe they'll twist more to the left, a little bit to the right. So you want to make sure that you're twisting equally both ways, right? So it's a bit of this kind of twisting motion. And if you think about it, it's kind of like when you're walking or running. So you do also want to ensure that you engage your legs as well and lift up the opposite leg from the shoulder that's coming forward. So if my right shoulder is coming forward, my left leg is coming up. And then if my left shoulder is coming forward, right leg is coming up, all right? So always right now in this situation, when you're to the right, your palms down. And then when you're to the left, it's up, down, up, down, up, down, up, all right? So now I want you to try with the rope. Palm down, drag to the left, and then palm up. Get used to it flipping. It's fine if the rope hits you. Then you twist back to the right, palm down, drag to the left, flip, palm up, turn back to the right, flip, palm down. Get used to this movement for a few times, and then I'll show you how to unlock the smoother motion. Back, right, front, left, back, right, front, left. All right, the next step is we want to connect and ensure that the rope doesn't hit us. So what we're doing is when we start on the right now, you go to the left, and when you flip to the back, one thing I want you to do is when you flip, before the rope hits you, I want you to start turning back to the right, right? I'm gonna show that again. So left, right, and then I flip and dodge, right? Again, from the right, left, throw it to the back and flip, right? So try to time the flip so that as the rope is coming towards you, you start to turn away, and that's how you avoid the rope hitting you, right? So from the right to the left, flip it to the back, dodge, right? Once you've gotten the hang of that and you start to have a bit of that slide, the next part to unlock is now when you move it back to the front, instead of letting it flop on you, you do the same. So when you throw it to the front, you swing back to the left, all right? So you'll see the movement is basically you throw to the front, before it hits you, swing to the left, throw to the back, swing to the right. Swing, 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 swing. And hopefully if you are new to this, you've been able to successfully unlock the dragon rope. Notice a few things. My hands don't need to come up high. I don't need to throw the rope over my head. There is plenty of room for the rope to come over my head, even if my hands are low. Second thing to notice, don't have your hands too wide. The wider your hands, the less room the rope has to clear your head. The closer your hands, the more room you have for the rope to go over your head. Make sure you're twisting your body as well. It's not just your hands doing the work. You're swinging, turn left, turn right. Turn left, turn right. Bend your knees so that you have that nice gentle rocking motion. Remember, when you turn to the right, when your body's twisting to the right, you have your right leg come forward a bit, or your right knee come up a bit. And then when you go to the left, it's the left knee coming up a bit. All right? Okay, 1 minute break. The next one is going to be the opposite direction. So if you were going from right to left before, it's the exact same thing, but you're going from the left to the right. This will be challenging for you even if you have already unlocked the dragon roll, but if you've not been practicing your non-dominant side, going the other way, all right? So right now, just take a break. You have 1 minute. No special tips that I'm going to be showing you in this session. If you like swinging your rope while you're resting, you can just do some overhands to underhands, overhands to underhands. If you want to speed up your sessions, you can also just do your dragon roll much more quickly, more aggressively, all right? All right, 1 minute is up. Let us start with the next session. Now we are going into the dragon roll from the left side to the right side. So same as before, but since we've already familiarized with it, we can start with the rope right away. So rope on your left side, drag to your right, flip it to the back, turn back to your left. Flip to the front, drag to the right, flip to the back, drag to the left, flip to the front, drag to the right, flip to the back, drag to the left. Now, I want you to start trying to dodge or swing the rope, right? So when it goes to the front, I'm going to turn back to the right, okay? So now I'm facing left, rope on the back, throw it to the front, swing to the right. Let's do that again. Rope on the back, facing the left, throw to the front, swing to the right. And now, when I throw to the back, again, I'm going to try and dodge, and I'm going to swing, turn back to the left, right? So rope in front, I'm facing the right, throw to the back, and then I turn. Throw to front, turn. Throw to the back, turn. Throw to the front, turn. Throw to the back, turn. Turn, turn, turn. And hopefully you have this unlocked. Same reminders for posture. Make sure that you're twisting equally in both directions, both left and right. Make sure you are Engaging your legs as well. So have your knees loose, lift up the knee that the shoulder is turning towards. If you notice that my hand seems to be going like right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, that is a slight variation of the dragon roll. Normally you would have both hands do the palm down, palm up, palm down, palm up. But when you get a bit better, you can use like the right hand to throw it back to the front, left hand to throw it to the back. And it becomes a bit of like a whip. And again, if you're doing it the other direction, then it's the opposite. It's the left hand throwing it to the front, and then the right hand throwing it to the back. Right. You should be able to start feeling a bit of a burn in your shoulders. This is a great shoulder workout. Good for opening up your shoulders. Remember, when you throw it to the back, you open up. It's a bit of both the palm going up, that's flipping it back, and going down, that's flipping it down, but also you're opening up your shoulder as well. So don't forget to do that slight rotation to the back like this. And when you're throwing it to the front, it's a bit of that small twist to the front as well. All right, keep at it. You're doing a great job. And again, if you want to speed things up, you can go more quickly. But don't forget to engage your legs. Don't just use your hands. Don't forget to also twist your body when you're going quickly. It's a full body workout, not just your hands doing the work, right? Right, if you're up to the challenge, we still have a minute left. You can try incorporating some dragon switches or dragon hop. So with the dragon switch or the dragon hop, you can either switch with the rope in the front or the rope coming on the back. We're going to practice on the back first. And right now, since I'm swinging from left to right, what I want you to do is your pivot point is going to be on your left foot. So imagine your left foot is your forward foot and your right foot is going to come over like this. So what's going to happen is when the rope comes behind me, before it comes to the front, I'm going to turn on my left foot, all right? I'm going to turn like this, bring my right foot to the other side and face the opposite direction. And what's going to happen when I do this is you need to notice that your rope is actually going to switch directions. So technically you're still flowing in that same movement. The rope is still kind of going this way. But what's going to happen is your dragon roll is going to go from left to right to right to left. Left to right to right to left, right? So that's why you need to practice both sides in order to unlock the dragon switch. And what you also want to notice is when you do this dragon roll, when you switch, what's going to happen is the rope is behind you, in front of you, but it's going to actually go 1, 1, 1, 1, and then when you turn, it's going to go another time here. So it's 1, 1, 2, and then you go back to 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? So I'll show that again. 1 in front, 1 behind. 1, 1, 1, oh, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, oops, sorry. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. So you see when I turn, it actually goes 2 times on that same side. All right. Woo, my shoulders. All right, you have completed day 3 of the Flow Along Mobility Challenge. If you have already unlocked all of these 3 moves, the underhand and overhand raise and chase, your Matador's Wheel, and your Dragon Roll, technically you have all of the foundations you need to get all of the benefits of rope flow. You don't really have to get into really advanced or tricky moves. But for the rest of the sessions, since we do still have, how many more days? It's a 2-week challenge. We've gone over 3 days. So we still have 11 more days left. I will be going into some variations, into some other more tricky technical moves. So if you feel like you're starting to get a hang of this, you want to follow along, do continue. Even if you don't, if you're still new, we will go into some moves that won't be too difficult to master as well. So I'll focus on more of the beginner or basic type of movements. In the next few sessions, we'll be going into a few other things. So let me quickly show some of them. So I plan on going into some, and the exact sequence, the exact order of all of them that I'll be doing may change as I still start to plan out this course. But we will start to do some one-arm movements for some of the next few sessions. So this will include things like whips, which you're seeing right now. So you see the high whip and the low whip. We will do some wraps. Wraps are when you have the rope come around a part of your body. Something like this. We can start to do some throws as well, where the ceiling here is a bit low, but let me see if I can do it. So a throw would be something like this. And then you might we'll start to get into some swings as well. Swinging the rope, kind of like, a golf club. Swing, or a bat. We'll probably also play around with some floats where you actually let go of the rope and try and catch it. And those actually aren't too difficult. And if we have some time, I might go into some hand flips as well. So hand flips are where you let the rope go around your hand like this. Kind of like a wrap where you let go and then catch the rope again. We will go into variations of the moves that we covered. So from the dragon roll to the dragon head to even the dragon hug. And then for your Matador's Wheel, we will go from overhand, and then we'll start to learn how to change directions to go into underhand. So this will be the Maki roll, where you go 2 beats on each side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We will also start to look at combining some of those patterns that we have. So going from, let's say, Matador's Wheel to Dragon Roll. Oops. Matador's Wheel to Dragon Roll to an underhand. An ace is also an easy one to unlock. So from the Dragon Roll to a throw movement. Dragon Roll, throw, so that's the ace. All right, so definitely stay tuned. And by the end of these 2 weeks, you should be at an intermediate level for flowing ropes. So I hope you enjoy. Again, if you have any questions about your form, if you want some feedback, use the hashtag #TRGMobility. And feel free to comment in this video if you have more questions or comments.